Hey and welcome to the new tutorial in Java. In this tutorial I would like to show how we can compare two objects. So let's start. We have we have an operator which double equals, point equals and compareTo. So let's see what's the differences between these three. If you can define a string like a is equal to, for example, zeta, and we can define another string b which is referring to the same object, and let's say that system point out point range line, right? If we write a is equal to b, or if we can write boolean c is result is equal to, if you put it here and then put result here, then let's run and see the result. Yeah, here it's true. The result is plus result. Run the program. Yeah, the result is true. Sorry. The result is true. Okay. Let's see if we can declare another string like variable c is equal to new string, and copy paste this one inside. So, and if we do the same operation, like if c is equal to b, and this time it should give us a false result. Yes, here we have false, because now the problem is here these two are referring to the same object, but here we use the constructor and generate a new object of zeta, the object of a string, but the content is same, but here this variable is referring to another object, not to the same object, because this one and this one is referring to the same object, but this one is referring to the different object but same content. Now, how we can check the content? Here, by using double equals, we are compare the reference, or we can compare to see the referring of the object, if the object is referring to the same object or to the different object. But let's see if we can compare and see inside the object, if we can compare the content of the object. In that case, we need to use equals. For example, a point equals like b. Okay, now by using point equals, we compare the content of the object, not the reference of the object. We see if we can create, let's start first with this example. the result's true. Yes, because they have same content. Let's make it zeta1, run it, because it's not same now, it should give false. Yes. Let's see if we can use C here. Now if we used equals here, the result here was false, because this 2-1 is referring to the different objects but with same content. Now this one will return false, and this one will return true because the content is same. Let's see. Here the result is false, the first one. The second one, the result is true because they have same content. Let's see if we can create another string, new string, and make it change the content here. Let's call it say1, and we can see here if check say1 is the content of say1 is equal to the content of variable say. So let's start run this one because it's not same, so it will be return false here. Okay, this is for the first one, and let's see if we can. Yes. Run it again. Yeah. The result is false. The result is so this one is false. That one is true because they have same content here. Sorry. Now it's different. So both C and B both are false. Once again, the result is false, the result is false, both. So let's see how we can use compareTo. compareTo is, in this case, compare, when we use compareTo method, this one is go and take each character inside the string and check their Unicode code. If they are same Unicode code, so it will return 0. If, for example, string A Unicode code is less than string B, then it will return minus value, or if it's greater, so it's returning a plus value. Let's see if we can result of compareTo, and here we write, instead of equals, we write compare and sending C objects. Yes, C. Now it's not same. C and C1 is not same. It will return an integer here. The result's an integer. Yes, 65. An integer 65, which means that this one is greater than this one. Let's make both same object. Then the result will be 0 here because they are same object. You can see here result 0, and if we can compare this A and B object. The result will be 0 here also because they are same content. They have same content. So if the program will compare to a method calculate the Unicode of this character and this character, it will be same. So the result will be 0. Yes, here we have 0. Okay guys, this tutorial was about how we can compare objects in Java. Basically, we use this when we sort, for example, different objects which is located in array, or we compare to see if two string are same or not. So we use these two methods and this operator. So it's very useful to understand it and use it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you on next tutorial. Have a